What's good, people? Welcome to Flex Finance. My name is Daniel and I'm here to help you guys save money and make money. Today we're discussing a company called Boxlight and why I think this stock is a must buy. So BOXL is the symbol for Boxlight. That's how you guys can find it in order to buy the stock. And the reason why I am going to buy the stock is because a lot of schools have now confirmed that they are going online only in the fall, and we have seen that most schools, I'm at college right now, and in my school we use Zoom. A lot of schools use Zoom, and Zoom just doesn't cut it for multiple reasons. And Boxlight has a software that's similar to Zoom, but works much better for educational purposes, and this is a big deal, and I'm going to tell you why. So the issue with Zoom is we know about the security flaws, and it's somewhat limited when it comes to education. You can only do so much. For some classes, for some subjects, reading from a PowerPoint works, but not for all classes. If you're doing business, it might work, but for maths or science, it's much harder to teach that way, and a lot of the teachers don't like it. I know my teachers were they're hateful towards Zoom. They didn't like it at all. They want to be more hands-on, and I think Boxlight is going to come in and provide that for these teachers. So confirmed schools or confirmed areas that are going to use Boxlight, they have some in Dallas, Fort Worth, Atlanta, Phoenix, and that's going to keep expanding, because I really do think that we're not going to be able to go back to school in person this fall. So they're going to need to buy the software. These schools are going to have to buy the software, and that includes colleges, high schools, all types of education. They're going to have to use the software. So right now, I don't actually have shares in this company just because it is the weekend. And on Friday, the news came out that a lot of schools are starting to confirm that they are moving online only, and that's why I stayed away from the stock. I've been watching it for a while, but I didn't know if schools were going to go online or in person. This stock would be not as good of a purchase if schools were going in person, but now that we know that a lot of schools are going online only, I really think that this stock is going to just explode. So I have an order for Monday. Right now it's limited at $1.02. And I'm most likely gonna buy more if the price stays around there or goes a bit higher. My price target for this is $2 to $5. I've seen $10 price targets, but I'm good with anywhere from $2 to $5. It's important to note that a year ago, this stock did actually reach $4.50. So I really think that $5 would be a reasonable ask. We might have to wait a while, but with schools going online only, I mean, a year ago that wasn't a need. That wasn't a need, and it reached $4.50. So I can only imagine now when schools are gonna have to use the software, it's gonna skyrocket. So I'm not a big fan of buying on Mondays because I think a lot of traders get anxious to come back and be able to start trading again. And I think Monday mornings, usually the prices aren't the best, and we just don't know how the week is gonna play out that week. So when you buy in on Monday, a lot of people are they're like, oh, this is gonna be a great week, and it doesn't always work out that way. But that shows you how much I really love this stock and believe in it. I'm gonna buy it no matter what on Monday, because I really think that this is gonna be a great investment. I really believe in this business and their software. I know from my experience as a college student, teachers do not like Zoom, and they're gonna try to find an alternative. And I think that Boxlight is going to provide that. So that's it for Boxlight. Let me know what you guys think. I think that as a college student, I can provide insight into why I think this is a good investment. Not everyone's at school right now, so maybe older people or people who aren't at school right now would not fully understand the value of this stock. But I'm telling you guys, teachers do not like Zoom, and this is going to fill the gap that they need, especially for younger kids. You can't reach from a PowerPoint to young kids. They're not gonna learn that way. They have to be able to work with the software. They have to be, they need to do something like physically to learn, and reading from a PowerPoint is just not gonna cut it. So thank you for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe. We'll see you soon. We'll make some money together.